Morning guys, we're doing a scrap run. Lads here are getting the shit out now. So if you're seeing like, that's a good thing, but I couldn't fucking sell it, so what are you gonna do? You scrap it, don't you? This is all stuff we got from the Kerb. In here's that's all cord that we'll cut the ends off. You know, cut the ends off the end. Heap of cord in there. So this is a scrap joint. The Viro scrap metal. It's the same people that took the AU Falcon. These are the guys here. So they'll get it all out there. Big setup. So you got scales, like drive-on scales there for their bigger heavy cars and shit. Sheds out the back there. All the bins. Look at that. How many in there? These are all refrigeration motors. A bit of copper on. They were just general steel, just shit general steel. These are the scales here that the batteries and those cords and stuff we've got to go on there. Up there's how much it weighs. You see all this up, all the fucking bins and shit everywhere. Cool, eh? So I'm guessing about 200 bucks with the cord. You see what's there? So that's what I reckon. Cord's probably going to get the most money out of everything. So I think we've got 3 batteries, 4 batteries. Batteries are normally $4, $5 each. Something like that. Oh, I'm just going to shut up now and watch this boys work. All right, brother. Let's have a look, see what's in these bins here. And your brass bits and pieces. Is that motors? If I stay in the concrete, I'll be right. Oh, look at that clean copper. That looks cool, eh? More copper over there. Stainless. That looks like all radiators and stuff, you know. Probably taking the coppers off the end of them. That's a machine they use to strip it and stuff. And they keep everything. There we go, he's weighing our first lot of crap. So he'll start with that and then he'll take stuff off. This is going. Some things are worth more than others. Many hands make light work. Oh, come and all of them work together and just get it all done in one go. Should we bring the cord over? I think so. Do you want us to bring the cord over, yeah? Cord, bring it over. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, mate. He's doing that first. What are those fuckers weigh? Can you see up there? to the scale. And then it'll take it off. So then they could just add to it. They write that down. And then, you know, next time they put more in it, they just have to add to it. See, with this, when you're doing this scrapping, you want to take off your big cords, like the big heavy knobs, otherwise I won't give you the money for it. So it's 45 kg, but now it's got to be tipped out and we'll weigh the buckets. So it's 45 kilo of that, but then you got the... So look at the car. That's how we park cars in Australia, mate. That's fucking gold. Hey? Where's he going with it? He's got to be coming back in here. He can't be going anywhere else. Yeah, it's something you don't see every day. Hey? Not bad nick, really. That's gone. Gone to the tip. Now he's going to put them back on it and then we'll take off the weight. And that's 4 kilos, comes off the 45. Yeah, man. You got it? Thank you, my friend. Thank you. See you, man. Cheers, man. All right, so this is what we got. So we take this in here. And that's all the code. I don't really know what that means, so don't know what it means.
The other ones in the container are BR on.
This is some of the cool shit they've collected. Come on. I'll just hand this to the lady and give her my license. Oh, she's needs to. Here I mate.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll just have a little look around. That's a nice brass thing there, isn't it? Look at all the struts. Should have got some of them for the AU, shouldn't we? Sorry about the strobing, it's the lights, I'll do it in here. Pretty cool, eh? And they've got like a, it's not a wreckers, but they keep stuff, you know, to reuse, and I suppose it is a wreckers, but I won't go past here because it says nobody's allowed down there. But you get the idea. It's all stuff they've taken off. Radios that can be reused, you know, they're recyclers. They, you know, it's not all just about scrapping it and sending it to fucking China to make us cheap shit. They try and get stuff out of it, you know. So that's what they try and do. Okay, fans and shit. Thank you. So how much money did I make?
200 something.
Yeah, cool. Well, I guess 200.
$232.
Whoa.
So just need a signature.
What's the date?
It's the 4th of the 12th today. Thank you. This one's your copy.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
See, this is it here. I won't show my address, but
So we got 50, 100, 152, 20, 30, and the 290.
Thank you very much.
No worries at all.
Well, I'm throwing it away. Okay, appreciate it. I'll take one of your cards.
Yeah, no worries at all.
See ya.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, Dom. So what do we get? Battery's got 15 bucks for 16.20. The steel was 39. So the PVC copper $3 a kilo. Oh, that's cool. So it was 123 in cord, 48 in the light gauge, LO 520, and all adds up to $232.91. We're happy with that. I'll show Adsy. We both agreed about 200, didn't we, Ads? Have a look, brother. So yeah, we're happy with that. 231. We're probably going for a drink. See you guys.